Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Honeywell thermostat that is not working after replacing the batteries. You should try these fixes first in a very simplistic tutorial. Once again, if your Honeywell thermostat is not working properly after you have finished replacing the batteries, you should try these fixes first. These are easy fixes to try first in a very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this, okay? Now this is a somewhat rare problem, but it does happen from time to time. There are 4 things that you should try, and I'm going to go over them really quickly, so please pay attention. Number 1, try new batteries. So obviously maybe you put in fresh batteries and you thought they were fresh batteries, but maybe those batteries were defective, old, whatever the case is, So try new batteries and make sure you're using batteries that you know for a fact are working properly. That's number 1. If that doesn't help you out, move on to number 2. Number 2 is to look for disconnected wires. Now with many thermostats, in order to replace the batteries, you have to remove the thermostat. Some of them have a door, but with many of them, you have to remove the thermostat from the actual wall. When you do that, when you did that, you might have disconnected a wire. It happens from time to time. Obviously, only feel comfortable working with the wires. Only work with the wires if you feel comfortable working with them. If you don't feel comfortable, then call a professional. But yeah, look for disconnected wires, because even if you're not going to work with them yourself, at least you'll know potentially what the problem is. That's number 2. Number 3. So if number 2 doesn't help you out, move on to number 3. Number 3 is to check the circuit breaker. So sometimes circuit breakers look like they're on, but in reality, they're not fully on. So go to the circuit breaker, flip it off and flip it back on, and then you might end up giving power to the unit again. So go and take a look at the circuit breaker, flip it off, flip it back on, see if that helps you out. And if that doesn't help you out, move on to fix number 4. Fix number 4 is to press the thermostat in towards the wall a little bit gently. So take the thermostat, press it in towards the wall just a little bit gently. That's because when you remove the thermostat, you might have loosened things, and when you put it back in place, you might have not fully got it back in place properly. So press it just gently against the wall, and hopefully that will solve your problem. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully one of these fixes helps you fix your thermostat. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.